How to fix NVIDIA GPU drivers issues. So, a few things you can do to potentially help you with this problem. So, NVIDIA GPU drivers can cause the screen to flicker, it can cause it to crash, low FPS, black screens, but those kinds of stuff. So these issues are usually caused by corrupted drivers, failed updates, or conflicts with the Windows settings. So the first thing you can do is to just do a basic check. You can restart your PC before doing anything advanced. So restart your computer, since temporary glitches can fail through background updates or memory conflicts can sometimes cause driver problems, and a simple reset can fix them instantly. So just go ahead to your Windows and just restart your device. Another is to check if your NVIDIA GPU is detected. So you're gonna have to open your device manager. So search for that. Just type that in your search bar and then open it up. Over here, you're gonna take a look at the display adapters. So it should be this one. So if it shows your Microsoft Basic Display Adapter or a warning icon, then the driver is missing or broken. This step will pretty much just help you confirm whether the issue is driver related or hardware related. So if it does, then what you're gonna have to do now is just to try updating your NVIDIA driver, which is pretty much the normal method. So you're gonna have to go to your preferred browser and just search for NVIDIA GeForce Experience. So we're gonna type that in, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, or the official NVIDIA website. So here you should be able to download the latest driver for your GPU. Actually, instead of choosing the first option, there should be an option here to directly lead you to the official GeForce drivers. So it's better to just choose that to directly bring you there. So first, you can go ahead and try using this, which is the automatic driver updates. Press on the download button and proceed with the installation to make use of their automatic driver update. And finally, you can do a manual driver search. So to find your specifications, what you're gonna have to do is search for NVIDIA in your device. This should be enough over here. You can open this up, and once it opens, you should be able to go inside settings and see your rig. So in our case, we should be going to look for this, which is a GeForce RTX 370 Ti. So just go ahead and put that in. Product type, GeForce, product series, 30. Oh, it's loading. The product itself, which is a 3070 Ti. Our operating system, which is a Windows 11, language, download type, and just go ahead and start on search, and it should find it for you. But once it appears, just go ahead and download it and proceed with installation, pretty much just as the same as you did with this thing over here. But those are a few things you can try to potentially help you with this problem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.